Welcome everybody. I am CMA Ganesh Narvade, and everybody of us know that CMA October 2021 examinations are merged into December 2021 examinations. Really pathetic, sad news for all of us. The students, members, everybody is hurt. Institute is just like in a movie we hear Tariq pe Tariq, Tariq pe Tariq, Tariq pe Tariq. The date don't come. Even schools are open, colleges are open, universities are open, everybody is conducting face-to-face classes, everybody is conducting examinations. Even CA, CS examinations are already conducted. They are just ready to announce the examination results. Even CA foundation results have come. And still our institute is just planning to conduct exam. They don't know which date they will be conducting the exam. The date should be announced soon. And this soon is really troubling the students a lot. Really it is hard to digest, hard to accept the fact, right? So please, I request the office bearers, if you cannot manage the things, just give the responsibility to somebody who can actually do. These are so petty small things, like conducting examinations, which from so many years you are doing with lot of discipline. Now you are not able to manage. So if not possible, then give somebody the responsibility, but don't play with the lives of students. Don't waste their times, because students have prepared lot of efforts. They have put till for June, they prepare, then they wait for October, again you postpone. They cannot do anything else except to prepare. So please don't do such things, and give responsibility to somebody who can manage things properly. And students, just hold your nerves. I know that you are angry, you are frustrated, and you should be angry, nothing wrong in it, but hold your nerves, don't deviate, just give a break, learn something else, some additional skills you try to develop, and be ready again for December exams. And institute should have actually declared that okay, we'll conduct exams on December 10th as usually what we were doing, but here also they said it would be declared soon. Okay, whatever exam fees you paid for October will be applicable for December. Additional group you want to write, okay, you can write by paying extra fees. All this is quite common things which are written in the notification. I am really sad. I feel that it is a pathetic thing which the institute does for the credibility, and really you have to give way for somebody who can take the responsibility and do. Personal interest cannot be over the organizational interest. Thank you, sir. Thank you.